friends, welcome to this introductory video of Model United Nations Conference, which is going to be held on 6th of October 2018 at Saraswati World School. This is going to be a mega event which is for the first time happening in Eastern India. We are doing this event with the help of International Organization of Education Charter, which is a special consultative status NGO with United Nations Economic and Social Council, and the host school of this conference is Saraswati World School, Hooghly. We are already started to send invitations to various schools and high schools and the group of parents who may be willing to join this mega event at Saraswati World School. Before I start about Model United Nations, let me introduce this concept of MUN program. Model United Nations is a simulation program of the real happening and activities done at United Nations. I believe all of you have heard about United Nations organization, which is situated at New York, Geneva and Vienna. And the main purpose of United Nations is to make a platform for 196 plus countries in the world to discuss various issues, conflicts, and come to a resolution for the betterment of the world. And the same activity is simulated at MUN level. The main motto of MUN conference is to develop leadership qualities in students, along with many other qualities like public speaking, writing capabilities, teamwork, etc. For that purpose, many schools across the globe are organizing such events quite frequently. And on 6th of October, we are going to organize this interesting seminar conference for the students of Hooghly. Model UN is a form of political foreplay where students are able to get the real knowledge of the politics surrounding the issues worldwide. This is a one-time opportunity for a student to get exposed to the real issues of the world with various political surroundings. These kind of programs are often organized at school level and high school level. However, in some instances, university is also a best place to organize such event where matured heads, the graduates of the universities, are the participants of this kind of conference. Many of the students who have participated in this kind of conference have experienced intellectually enriched concept and get to know the real problems faced by many countries. Students come as a delegate of a particular country before studying and making proper research on the country they are representing. So it's an interesting study technique to know more about a particular country and the problems and issues that this particular country is facing for now. So I welcome you all on board for this international conference where students from various schools are going to participate and show their performance at this level. The winners of MUN Conference to be held at Saraswati World School will be able to participate at higher level of MUN conferences. I appeal to all parents, school administrators, principals watching this video to come and join this mega event where your kids, your children, your student is going to experience something extraordinary, interesting, amazing, an experience unforgettable, and something new which is not present in the regular classroom. So this is an event, out of the box event for the students, for the educational institutions, for the overall image of the institutions, and I welcome you all to this program. Thank you. Namaste.